Are you tired of hunting through Namecheap's dashboard for your affiliate earnings? Here's exactly where to find them in 60 seconds. I'll show you the exact path. Log in, go to Account, then Profile, then Billing, and finally click Affiliate Commissions. Let's walk through it together right now on my screen. All right, so let's start at the Namecheap homepage. You'll want to make sure you're logged in first. If you're not, just hit that login button in the top right corner. Once you're in, this is where things can get a little confusing because there's a lot going on here. But I've tested this exact path so many times, and I promise it's straightforward once you know where to look. Now, look for the Account menu in the top right corner of the page. It should be right next to your name or your email address. Go ahead and click on that. This is your main hub for everything related to your profile and settings. From that drop-down menu, you'll want to select Profile. This is where Namecheap stores all your personal information and account preferences. It's not the most intuitive name for finding earnings, but stick with me here. Once you're in your profile, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You should see a section labeled Billing. Click on that. This is where all the money-related stuff lives, which makes sense once you think about it. Your commissions are essentially money coming in, so Namecheap keeps them under billing. Under the billing section, you need to locate affiliate commissions. Now, here's a little trick I learned the hard way. It might not be immediately obvious because Namecheap has a couple of different menu options here. Just scroll down until you see it. Click on Affiliate Commissions. Now, you might notice that after you click, you're not quite there yet. You'll see a sub-menu appear. Go ahead and click on Affiliate Commissions again. I know it feels like you're clicking the same thing twice, but this is just how Namecheap's menu system works. It's a little bit nested, but we're almost at the finish line. This might take a moment to process, but now you should see your earnings breakdown. This is where the real information lives. You'll see columns showing the date of each referral, the product type, the commission amount, and the status of each payment. Let's take a moment to understand what each column means. The status column is the most important one because it tells you if a commission is pending, approved, or if it's already been paid out. Pending means someone clicked your affiliate link but hasn't purchased anything yet. Approved means the sale went through and you're getting paid. And the commission amount column shows exactly how much you earned from each sale. It's all right there in dollars and cents. One of the most useful features is that you can export this report for your records. Look for an export button or a download option, usually in the top right corner of this table. This is great if you want to track your earnings over time in a spreadsheet or if you just want to keep a backup for tax purposes. So now you know exactly how to find your affiliate commissions in Namecheap. It takes just under 2 minutes from the homepage, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel like second nature. No more hunting around the dashboard, no more wondering if your commissions are actually tracking. Just a quick, straight path to your earnings report.